Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, today I have a new and stylish Christmas paper decoration ideas, different red and green painting colors for stones, different gifts decoration. You can make this video easily and you can make this idea for easily stones and paintings. I hope you like it and you can make this ideas. So save my video and yeah, you can see you can make this screenshot for my pebble stones decoration ideas. I hope you like it, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can see more videos and press the bell icon and share your friends and family members. You can easily make these table decoration ideas for Christmas gifts for your friends and family members. So Allah Hafiz viewers, take care,